In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find designs that have been shared with you in Canva. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're on the main home screen. This is where you can access all of your designs, folders, and shared content. If you've been sent a project by someone else and you're not sure where to locate it, don't worry, Canva makes this fairly simple once you know where to look. From the Canva homepage, go to the Projects section. This area is basically your central library inside Canva. It's where your designs, images, folders, and other saved content are organized. Clicking into Projects helps you move away from the main dashboard and into a space where you can more easily manage what belongs to you and what has been shared with you. Once you're inside Projects, look for the option labeled Shared with You. Select that section to view designs and files that other people have given you access to. This is the dedicated area Canva uses to separate shared content from your personal work, which makes it much easier to find collaboration files without digging through everything else in your account. After you click Shared with You, you should be able to see the available projects that have been shared. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, give the page a moment to load and double-check that you're in the correct Canva account, especially if you use more than one. That small detail can save a lot of confusion. And there you have it. That's how to find items that have been shared with you in Canva. It's a quick process. Open Canva, go to Projects, and select Shared with You. Once you know this path, it becomes much easier to stay organized and access team files, client designs, or collaborative documents whenever you need them. If you plan to use shared designs often, it can also help to familiarize yourself with the projects area in general, since that's where much of your content management happens inside Canva. But for this specific task, those are the exact steps you need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.